Subscribe to the channel and keep watching.
Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all safe and doing well. I have a project for you. If you guys watched my shopping haul, I received these two large vases. Now they look good from a distance, but if you look at them closely, they are plastic. Now, when you look at them closely, they kind of look cheap, but we want to change that, and they're super lightweight. So to do that, I pulled out, voila, my compound, spackling compound, or joint compound, if you will. And this has a heavy texture to it. So I want to use that to weigh these down. Now I want to try to keep some of the design that's in the vase, but I just want it to be a little bit more heavier, sturdier, and not look like plastic. I also pulled out some paint, and this is the Ivory Biscuit and a gloss paint that I pulled out, spray paint by Rust-Oleum. I'll use that. To apply my compound, I have some rubber gloves, of course. So this is what I want to do to both of these vases. And I want to get started on it as soon as possible. So if you guys want to see how it all turns out, just stay with me. This is going to be a short video, shouldn't take a long time. We'll do one on camera, do the other one, come back, we'll spray paint them, and then you'll see how they look. But before I get started on that, I want to take a moment to thank all my subscribers. If this is your first time stopping by, I want to say thank you. I do hope you find something that will inspire you and make you want to become part of the Creative Decor family. Again, this is Mary Creative Decor, and stay with me to see how these vases turn out.
I'm going to continue getting the plaster on this vase. I'm going to do the other one off camera and we'll come back for the next step. So it's another day and you can see the plaster is dry on my vase. But before I paint it, because this is a plaster, I don't want it to chip off. So I wanted to make it a little bit stronger. And to do that, I pulled out my Mod Podge. So what I want to do is take Mod Podge, mix it with a little water. I have my water bottle here. I have a little tray. Let me bend it down so you can see on the table here. And a brush. I'm just going to add a little water in the Mod Podge. Just a little, not a lot. You see I'm doing drops. And I want to mix it. Mix it up really good. And I'm just going to take that and I want to brush it onto my vase. If you can see. Now this, you know, if once the glue, because this will moisten the plaster once again, and the glue should make it bind. Now I'm not sure, but I'm hoping that this will harden the plaster even more and give it more stickability to the plastic. That's the hope. I'm going to get the Mod Podge mixture onto my other vase and we'll give it about an hour to an hour and a half to dry, and we'll come back and we'll be ready to spray paint. It's been about 3 hours and now I'm outside on my patio. I have my vases here sitting on top of the cardboard and they're looking pretty good. Now they're this white color and I just want them to look a little bit richer. So I pulled out my ivory biscuit Rust-Oleum paint and we're going to paint the vessels. I've already added a little spray over here. I don't know if you could see the difference in color, but that ivory color is here and it did darken it quite a bit. I don't know if you can pick it up in the sunlight, but it is. So we're just gonna get it all spray painted and let it dry. If I have to come back for a second coat, I'll do that off camera, or touch-ups I'll do off camera. But I just want to get it all covered with this ivory color paint and let it dry, and then we'll be ready to come back for the reveal. And to let you know, the Mod Podge did help to hold or make the plaster a lot stronger, and the paint will help also. I think the vases turned out absolutely beautiful. Now you could still see the old texture, but you could see where the new texture is added with it. And also because it is a compound and it added a little weight. And adding the Mod Podge strengthened the plaster. And if you look a little bit closer, you can see where I did change the color from the white to that ivory color, which is more of my aesthetic. Now, of course, you could change this to any color that you like. I just happen to like the neutral colors, and I would have went a little darker, but this is all that I had on hand. I love them. But again, let me know what you think in the comment section. With that being said, that concludes this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. And if so, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll know when I upload new videos. Thank you all for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.